A special court in Mumbai heard a bail plea filed by Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan in the Mumbai cruise drugs case on Wednesday. However, the court adjourned the hearing till Thursday. Hence, Aryan will spend at least one more night in jail. Additional Solicitor General Anil Singh is yet to wrap up his arguments against bail for Aryan Khan. The hearing is expected to resume post 11 am on Thursday. Earlier on Monday, the court had directed the Narcotics Control Bureau to file its reply to Aryan Khan's bail plea on Wednesday. The NCB opposed Aryan Khan's bail plea in the court on Wednesday. Aryan Khan's lawyer Amit Desai argued for bail for his client for 1.5 hours. He argued that Aryan Khan did not have cash to buy drugs, Aryan did not have substance to sell, and Aryan did not have substance to consume. The lawyer stated that no drugs were found with Aryan and asked, "Where is the conspiracy?" He also said that there was nothing new in the NCB's reply to the bail plea. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was admitted to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi at 6:15 pm on Wednesday. According to sources in the Congress party, he has been running a mild fever for the past 2 days and has been admitted to the hospital for better medical care and recovery. He has been taken to the cardio-neuro tower at AIIMS and is undergoing some medical tests. Amid reports of coal shortages and a possible power crisis, Union Minister of Coal Mines and Parliamentary Affairs Prahlad Joshi visited Dipka coal mine in the Korba district of Chhattisgarh on Wednesday and urged the officials to scale up coal production there. Prahlad Joshi also took to Twitter to inform about his latest visit to one of India's largest coal mines. While sharing some pictures from the spot, Prahlad Joshi tweeted, "Visited Dipka coal mine in Chhattisgarh today. It is one of India's largest coal mines in the Korba district of Chhattisgarh with a capacity of 35 million tons per annum." Prahlad Joshi said he also interacted with the senior officials at the mine and urged them to scale up the production and dispatchment of coal. According to sources, Prahlad Joshi is also expected to visit Ranchi-based coal mines on Thursday. Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee Media Coordinator M.A. Salim has been expelled from the party for 6 years after a video surfaced in which he allegedly badmouths party president D.K. Shivkumar. In the leaked video, which also features former MP V.S. Ugrappa, Salim can be heard talking about a scandal involving D.K. Shivkumar that allegedly has to do with him and his aides accepting bribes. It was 6 to 8% before, then it became 10 to 12%. It is all D.K. adjustment. Mulgund, who is an aide of DK, has made 50 to 100 crore rupees. Imagine if Mulgund has this, then how much DK has, Salim says in the clip. The matter was sent to the Karnataka Congress Disciplinary Committee, which decided to expel Salim from the party. A show cause notice has also been sent to Grappa. Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sharad Pawar on Wednesday alleged that the central agencies, including the Central Bureau of Investigation, the Enforcement Directorate and the Narcotics Control Bureau, are being used for political reasons by the central government. Addressing a press conference, Sharad Pawar said that NCP leader and former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh's house was raided for the 5th time on Monday, which he said was a record. Anil Deshmukh's house was raided for the 5th time yesterday. I wonder, what do they get by raiding the same place again and again? This is sort of a record, Pawar said. Sharad Pawar also raised doubts over the missing former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, who is believed to have fled India. In Anil Deshmukh's case, a former police commissioner made allegations. He met me to make the same allegations. After this, Deshmukh resigned. The one who made the allegation is nowhere to be seen and is absconding. A responsible official made allegations and resigned after that, but the one who made the allegation is missing. This is the difference, he said.